Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You should start by connecting both controllers and signing each player into an Xbox profile. This ensures saved progress and correct input mapping. Once done, power on the Series S and launch the game you intend to play. Many titles require local multiplayer mode rather than online lobbies. Make sure the game is updated. Outdated builds often hide split-screen options. Now, with controllers active and profiles signed in, move to the game's multiplayer or campaign menu to add players and enable split screen. You now need to enable split screen from the game's multiplayer or co-op menu. Press the controller button prompted to add a second player and assign their profile or guest slot. Once players appear, select the local co-op or campaign mode and choose any team or character assignments. If the title provides layout options, vertical versus horizontal, pick the one that fits your TV or preference because layout affects readability and performance. Make sure any in-game HUD or camera settings are adjusted before starting a match. Start the session and verify each controller responds and that audio and HUD are correct. Split screen should appear immediately once players are added. If you don't see split screen, first update the game and the Series S system software, then reconnect controllers and relaunch the title. If problems persist, restart the console and test with another game known for split-screen support, because some games simply do not include local splits. Finally, check that frame rate options or display scaling aren't forcing a single-player view.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.